Remember, it kind of dive bombed down here in the corner. That looks pretty good. If I wanted to, I could put a straight edge up there, measure down, right here, right here, right here, right here. You'll get the hang of it. There. I can put these back in. Remember I said the sand's 95% compaction. You can't get it down exactly where you want. Tap a little bit more. See if you can get it go. Okay, that's nice. There. Good. Because this is pretty much flat now. Gotta remember where those halves go. That goes like that, that goes there. See, this one's up pretty high, but I should be able to whack it down. I think I'm liking that. See. Now what? I think that goes like that. Oh, I think this one goes this way. That. And that half brick goes over there. Like that. Pretty sure that's how it was. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Put my cut side facing that way. Should fit. It's your block of wood out there. Gotta fit, huh? It's got to fit. Came out. Should go back in, right? Looks like this one here is just a hair low. This one here. I'm not liking that. That one's going to have to come out. This one right here is going to have to come back out. In order to get that out, I may have to take this one out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, fine.
Okay. That. Come on. A little bit of extra sand in there.
Good time.
Okay. Get it back in there. Went in, so it should come, or it went out. It should go back in.
Thank you, Carol.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
There we go. It's there. And see, that could go there. This could go there, but then it's not going to match up. That one's got to go there. And this one has got to go there. And then it's a matter of filling these other ones in. How much better that is? Look at that. Didn't take me very long, did it? Well, you remember I started up here, and now I've graduated. I just did that little section there, and this area was kind of dive bombed down. And see right in here, got this brick, that brick, that brick, that. This whole little section in here I'm going to work on next. And that's, oh, then I got a couple other bricks beyond this edge. See, there's one right there. But other than that area, I think then the only thing I've got is the areas that slope down. See right in there and along in here. Boy, once I figured out just to eyeball level the sand, you know, once you do that and you get in there, get your block in there. Look, my block already broke. Here's my block there, but I still use that to beat on it, and the areas that look like they need to go down a little bit, if I can tap it down with that, if it goes down nice and snug, fine. If it doesn't, then I lift it up and put a little bit more sand in there. But just do a good job as you're eyeballing your sand that you have to go in there. And I've hardly got any sand left, huh? Okay. But I've got some more downstairs, so I'll have to go I'll fill up the bucket about a good 1/2 to 5/8 this next time, and then I should have plenty to finish this little area here. And actually it's actually going a little bit quicker than I thought. Because see, these are all nice now, other than a couple there and a few that are going kind of down at an angle. And I thought it was going to be harder to get these bricks out, but you see the grooves on the sides like that, and then they have those same ones on the edges, and then you can get your screwdriver in there and kind of get it out. Okay, all right, away I go. Well, I just loaded this up with sand, and I got a pretty good eyeball. But if you're wondering, how can I do this without eyeballing it? Maybe I get it too high, maybe I get it too low. You could measure a brick and take a 1x4 or 2x4 or something and cut a notch in it, so you have just a little bit up at the top, and then you can use that as a screed along the edges. You know, notch your 1x4 maybe a little bit deeper than your brick, so that you've got this part right here sticks over, and then you can use that as your straight edge along the edges.